we were just apes, swinging in the trees, living simple life, wild and free. No city lights, no concrete streets, just jungle sounds where our hearts beat. Oh, what if we never changed our ways and stayed nature's children in the haze? Would the world be greener, the sky so clear, without the rise of man? Would we still be here? The skyscrapers rise, no neon glow, just the moon and stars for us to show. No walls of fears, just primal truth, survival in the jungle, age of you. What if we never changed our ways, stayed nature's children in the haze? Would the world be greener, the sky so clear, without the rise of land? Will we still be here? Peace in the wild, where instincts guide. No chasing power, no need to hide. Carrying only what nature gave. Living in harmony, brave and bold and brave. If we were just apes, the world would breathe a simpler life, a shared belief. But now I wonder what could be.